Alright everyone, I just wanted to show you all how we currently have our chicken coop situated out here on this pasture. Well, really this orchard. So we have a fence perimeter set around multiple peaches and fig trees. And we have the front door of our coop on either side surrounded with fencing. That way birds stay in the coop, and then everything beyond that front door is just area for them to be able to range around. You can see there's one curious bird that got out of the fence. But yeah, so we're doing this to allow the birds to fertilize all of the fruit trees out here and to give them access to some fresh grass and let the pasture literally right back where I'm pointing this camera take a break and give it a rest. So yeah, I am very